How would you like it if you had 33 employees working for you, doing exactly what you asked them to do? And I'm talking about employees that are YouTube experts, affiliate marketing experts, search engine optimization experts, therapists, sales copywriters, sales coaches, real estate agents, marketing managers, product managers, accountants here, customer support agents, a tech writer, software developer, journalist, language tutor, a financial advisor, mindfulness coach. Do you see all those employees here? Well, this is a brand new product called AIStaffs that will do the work for you. You can hire each employee to do exactly what you want them to do. Now, if this sounds interesting to you and want to pick this up, make sure to check out the link in the description of this video. It will redirect you to my website where you can find more info about the pricing, available upgrades, and also if you pick this up through my link, because I have a good relationship with the vendor, you're going to get double credits if you pick this up through my link. So that's definitely something that you want to have. Plus, I've also added some very cool extra new bonuses as well. So make sure to check out that link. All right, let's dive into this and let me show you how AIStaffs works. So as you can see here, this is the dashboard. Here you can see some general overview, how many staff members you've hired. You can go to your conversations in here. Here you can see your staffs and your conversations as well. But to get started, you simply go to the staffs here, and there you can choose the employee that you want to hire. Now, for example, here, if you want to have, let's see, a copywriter in here. You want to write copy for your sales page. You simply click on Hire Now. And you can hire William, and now you can start chatting with William. So as you can see here, you can see all the employees that you've hired in here, and now you can see William is in here, and I can start chatting with William. Now here you can give your conversation a name. So I'm going to say sales copy meditation app. So what I can do here is I can click on this button and I can start speaking to William. Hi, William. I'd like you to write a sales copy for me for our brand new meditation app that's released in the App Store. Write this sales page for me. Then I can stop and I can click on this button here. And now William is going to write a sales copy for me that I can start using. Now, depending on the task, it will take a short time or a long time. I think this takes about a minute time. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you, is what I've done is also I've asked the same questions to other employees to see if there is a difference in employees. So what I've done, for example, here, Adrian is an affiliate marketer. What I did is ask legal advice from Adrian. So what I said here is, what legal documents do I need to start my own business in New York City? So Adrian says, hey there, I understand your concerns about legal aspects of your business in New York. While I'm an affiliate marketing expert, I still want to provide you with some general guidance. And then he's still going to answer some questions for me. Now, the same thing that I did here is I asked the same question here when I go to my staff member, to my conversations here, is I've asked the same question here, what documents do I need, to William, who is a legal advisor. And when I see the answers of William, they are way more advanced and also more expanded answers. So he gives me more information than the basic information they get from an affiliate marketer. So the cool thing is that AI staff members are really programmed to do what they're programmed to. So if you ask a developer, the developer knows everything about coding and he will give you details answered about coding. Willard, for example, here is a legal advisor, so he's going to give you better answers than the other one. Now, the cool thing is when you go to your staffs here, the cool thing is that everything is organized. So every question that you ask to James, who is a search engine optimization specialist, when I go to the chat, you can see that I have multiple chats here and everything is organized, the conversations that I've had with James about search engine optimization. So for example, here I asked, write an SEO article about the power of meditation, focus on the keywords, why is meditation powerful? And then he started writing this article for me. And then I asked in another conversation, hey, give me 10 blog title ideas about meditation. And then he gave me different ones, cold tone, a conversational style, and an English language. So this is what you will see with the SEO expert, that he comes with these kind of answers. So depending on what you ask and who you ask, you're going to get these answers. Now, another cool thing is that you can also ask the same questions here. When I go to the top here, that's in another conversation. We'll show you that in a minute. Another option that I'm going to show you, this is one of the upsells, which I really personally like, and that's the UAI. Now, first, let me show you, when I go to the staffs in here, what you can do with a staff member here is you can click on embed code, and this will give you a code here so that you can embed this staff member to your website as a chat function. So when I go to my website, then what I can do here is I can paste that code in here. I can grab the other part of the code here where I want to have this appear. So I'm first going to save this change. Now I go to my website in here, and let's say I'm going to add a code block in here where I want this to appear. So I'm going to do an HTML code. I'm going to paste that code in here. I'm going to save this. I'm going to publish this page. So this is just an example, blah, 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 blah. And now when I go to this website, look what happens here. It's going to add this chat to my website here. So here I want it to appear. You can also do this to the right corner, of course. But here you can start chatting with this YouTube expert. So I can say my name, Tim, here. I can type my email address, .com. I can type my message here. And I can start a conversation with this YouTube expert and say, hey, my name is Vic Shorts and I'm a YouTube expert. How may I help you today? And I can literally ask questions on my website, and your customers can ask questions to this YouTube expert. So you can add a YouTube expert to your website as well. So how cool is that? And it will give you the same answers as what you will be getting here in the back end. Now, what I wanted to show you here is that you got UAI, where you can create your own agents and you can learn them as well, or teach them what kind of answers to give. So for example, here, I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call this demo 1. I'm going to create this. And now I can create an agent in here, which is, for example, Tim 3, already created one. And I'm a affiliate marketing expert. And I'm going to type this in here, giving you affiliate related answers. So for example, and then I can choose a picture in here. So I can upload my own picture. I can go to the next screen in here and I can say which folder to use. So I'm going to use demo 1. I can choose the tone that I want to use for this character. I can choose the response style here. So as you can see, for example, creative. And let's say I'm going to create this right now. And when I go to this demo in here, I can teach this demo how to respond. So what I can do, for example, and let me show this to the right. Let me go to google.com. And now I say, for example, how to start with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to grab a website in here. So affiliate marketing for beginners. But let's say this is your own website. What you can do is you can copy every single page from your website that contains information. And I can paste that in here. I can click on import website. I'm going to paste this URL in here. And I'm going to click on import. What that will do is it will import the content from that website. And I can go back here and I can go to the next URL. So let's say this is my website and this is my second page, for example. What I can do is I can copy this second page here and I can import this as well. So I'm going to paste this, I'm going to import this. And now all the information here will be in here. So this was from Shopify, this was from Ahrefs. You can add all this information here. You can also start writing information yourself, or you can upload your documents. So this way you're training your AI agent. And now when I go to my staff members here, I can hire myself. So here I see my AI agent. I can click on hire now. And this is Tim 3. I'm an affiliate marketer. I can click on hire now. And here you got it. This is Tim 2 or Tim 3. And I can embed this code and add this to my own website so that I have this person answering website visitors' questions about my product. And I can train this bot with my own product. So that's pretty cool, right? Or I can start chatting with him myself. Now let's go to the other one. Let's see where it was here. I think it's this one. So here, probably it stopped because I switched all the different tabs. So let me redo this. So here you go. Here he's going to write this copy for me. And it says introducing Mindwave. So that's because I didn't specify the name of the app. The meditation app, that's not your guru. Now, here you can see, tired of being told to clear your mind by meditation apps that exclaim, well, it's going to write the full sales copy for you that you can use. Now, one of the other cool options, which I also want to show you here, is at the bottom, is that you can also write this in different languages as well. So you can ask your question in English, and you can ask the AI staff member to write this in any kind of language here, and the output will be in another language as well as the tone. You can change the tone here, different tones that you can choose from, and also the response type that you want to have. And based on that, it will write the content for you. Now, also the cool thing when you go to your staff members here and you go to the legal advisors, for example. So let's say I go to William here and I ask, what documents do I need? What I can do here, I see that's not in here now, but you can also ask to search on the web. I don't know why I can't find this function in here. Maybe, oh, here. So what I wanted to show you here is now it comes with this advice. So what I can do here in the answer is I can first of all copy this. I can export this as a Word document, as a PDF, but I can also say access the internet. So what it will do is it will ask Willard again for the information, like what legal documents do I need to start my own business in New York City. And now he's going to access the internet and search for answers for me. And as you can see here, he comes with another report here. So it's probably going to give some similar information, but now he probably also going to give some sources as well. So here you can see the source. When you click on this, it will show you the source where you get this information from as well. So when we go back to the dashboard here, you can see if you want to enter all the conversations here, you can go to your conversations. And one thing you need to make sure is that you give your conversation a name. Otherwise, you don't know what it's about. And as you can see here are all my conversations. If I want to see about something about here, the best ClickBank products that I've asked, I can go directly to this conversation that I had with Adrian. And I can also see the other articles that I asked myself as well. And that's basically what AIStaffs is all about. It's artificial intelligence. It's organized staffs with all the answers, with all the chats organized. And again, if you'd like to get access to this, check out the link in the description of this video. If you purchase this through me, you're going to get double credits to use with AIStaffs. And you're going to get my extra bonus as well. So check out the link in the description below. Please hit the thumbs up if this video was useful, and also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you haven't done yet. I do a lot of similar reviews. So yeah, hit that notification bell to get notified. And looking forward to see you in my next review. Talk soon. Cheers.